Mark Warman from Graveyard Cars, and today I'm going to introduce you to a new vehicle chassis repair tool called the Eclipse Laser Measuring System. The Eclipse measuring system is faster and easier than any other system on the market. That's going to mean faster repair times, higher quality, and more profit for your shop. The Eclipse measuring system includes a laser scanner and multiple laser scanner targets that mount conveniently to the underside of any vehicle. These tools are combined with 3D measurement software using current data from specification databases. This system offers you a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter and covers a range of up to 10 meters. Once you have the system up and running, you can leave everything in place. That will allow the scanner to read all of the targets at the same time and send the information back to the computer. The 3D display shows you the extent of the damage. The arrows show you where the damage is at and the magnitude of that damage. One of the cool features with this is that you can generate reports, a report of before the damages as well as after the repairs have been made. This will allow you to go to the insurance company with proof that it had damage before and that the damage is fixed. It'll also allow you to put a copy of that in the customer's folder showing that it was damaged and now it's repaired. There's nothing as good as proof. The first thing you want to do is create a repair order and fill in all of the pertinent information. Second, you're going to select your vehicle from the actual database built into the computer relative to year, make, and model. The next thing you need to do is install the scanner under the vehicle. Next, you want to select the points on the display where you want to hang the targets on the vehicle. Once you've selected the points on the display, it will tell you what stem and what adapter to use. Next, you want to attach a target to the stem. Use the correct adapter the computer told you to use and put those on the predetermined locations of the vehicle. Next, using the 3D display, you'll see where your damage is at and in what direction you need to apply force to be able to correct that damage. At any time during the repair process, you can capture the information on the display and use that for future reports. During the repair process, you're actually able to watch the targets live. That means you can keep an eye on the monitor, watch the targets as you make your pull as they come into specification. Once they hit specification, you'll also notice that the target itself turns green. Once the targets turn green and the specifications on the screen are right at 0, you're finished with your repairs. You're in the factory OEM specifications and you can now save your report and take the system down. I've walked you through the basic steps of using an Eclipse laser measuring system to repair a vehicle. I hope this video has shown you how easy, fast, accurate, and powerful the Eclipse measuring system can be.